Shots by Doe. Gonna get hit.
Oh, nigga, y'all know what the fuck going on. Nigga, at the show right now. This bitch sold out, nigga. We're in the art with this shit. You know I go to Rick Owens way. Mary Jean. Go down with me.
That's your art, bro. I'm the co-host of the show. Like, yeah, I said they're with me. What's up, boy? Let's go with y'all. Let's leave. Alright? What's up, dog? Alright? That's it, right? Okay. Come get y'all band. You guys are with me. Get your band.
Y'all gotta go get your wristbands up at the ticket booth. If they with you or if they on the list, you gotta go check them in up there.
Let's go.
I'm sick and tired of these pussy niggas playing with me. I'm from my boy, past the black and my baby ass. Just had to fix the woods when I sold out on this. And I'ma take a nigga bitch, he think I can't resist. I spin around the block and catch a rack. And give me 7 fully loaded for that action. SRT will not be cutting up in traffic. I was on my bitch by black ass and I just had it on the pack. I want to sign a bottle with $1 like a pound. Some bitches I can't build one on land. I heard you talking crazy, bitch. I don't let it burn. I don't want to let it burn. Jumping back from all the ways inside the car with window shit. Niggas spreading this account, more car and get spent. All niggas get that money, take it up and get the shit. Hey, I'm a born house race, we out screaming for.
I swear to God, I feel like tell me why stop playing with nigga, gang. This is my first show, nigga. You know what the fuck going on? Stop playing with me. I got baby Hannah right here.
Tell me where the volume and all that shit. Just tell me where the volume is.
You got to follow the IG, YouTube, and Shakespeare Barber Shoot on Instagram.
Yo, my team, slap. Yep.
My first performance too. Make some noise for that then.
We don't perform now, so y'all can go ahead in the crowd and chill, or y'all can go ahead back to what y'all doing. As long as y'all got bands, we're good. Everybody got them? Yes, sir. Thank you, Jay. It's like this.
Yep.
Nice to meet you, though.
Yes, sir. Same to you.
Let's get busy, all right?
Yes, sir.
See your brother, nigga. Nigga sold out. Yeah, man. Any nigga playing this bitch gonna get the belt.
That shit gonna go over viral.
Real show, man. It's my first show, nigga. You know, I came a long way, man. You feel me? That's what this bet on shit.
Hey, word on broker. Like, we getting all of them. This is the beginning of all that shit, though. What y'all doing? Yeah, I'm following you. You ain't talking? I got KP Bush and he all talk.
He all talk.
Alright, nigga, this off the top. That's
He
my
all
nigga
talk.
getting guap. My brother Diddy, you be play with him, I bust your top. Yeah.
It's off the rip. Let a nigga play in my first show, swear to God, we let it built.
Yeah.
I ain't never getting no fuck about none of these niggas. I know who I am. So they It's some real shit though, man. You feel me? I used to lay that belt so much, man. I can't believe I'm doing shit.
Turn me up, Diddy. Hey, turn me up! Turn me up! Turn me up!
Keeping the balance when your daughter's all alone. Finding these and I'm trying my best to get them off me.
Yo!
Watch out like some soldiers say wild. Like they hard to really like me. Yeah.
Turn me up!
Talk what I need. Fix I need. I just pray I see you in my pussy yeah. So sorry, but I just handle my clothes. I gotta get rich real fast before they get low. I can feel it in my soul. You ain't never seen no blood. He freezing up, it's unfold. Yeah, I just lifestyle that I live. I'm praying God and I'm getting killed before I reach him here. Down to this me to the sign, I fell in love with your city. Ain't talking, he ain't even talking, they ain't shit. I'm in here, run down, nigga still, headshot, like a ball, yeah. Nigga, this shit, man, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, pull up,
Sing that motherfucker!